Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to clear your YouTube watch history on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube application on your iPhone. Then, click on your channel icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you've done this, click on the Switch Account option. Make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account. Once you're sure you're on the right account, again click on the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then, click on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. This will take you to Settings. Now, click on Manage All History. This will open your Google account. If you scroll down, you'll see all of your YouTube history. If you want to delete one video at a time, you can click on the X icon next to the video title and then click Delete. If you want to delete all of your history, click on the Delete button. In the drop-down menu, you can either delete today's history, delete a custom date range, or delete all time. If you select Delete All Time, it's going to give you an overview of what you're about to delete. When you're ready, click Delete in the bottom right. Once you've done this, it will say Deletion Complete. All you need to do now is click Got It. Then you can go back by clicking the arrow in the top left, and again you can exit out of the YouTube settings. So when you go back to your homepage, you'll notice there are no recommendations, because your YouTube history has successfully been deleted. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks.